Welcome everyone. Today's video, really quick trip to Lidl. Now, a little bit disappointed with this one. I'm not gonna lie. The plants when they've come in, I'm sure they were great, but they're just not quite great now. But I just want to share it with you, just so hopefully you'll have some luck in your store, wherever you are in the UK. Right, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. So we will start right here with these pelargoniums. They're actually labelled as geraniums. Just an FYI, these are absolutely beautiful. So if you are looking for a plant over the summer that you just simply can't kill because you don't water them, this is a plant for you. Absolute sun-loving plant, doesn't like a lot of water, can survive on very little, comes in several different colours. You can bring these in over winter, put them in the windowsill and put them back out next summer. But if you leave them outside, then they're just going to be finished, right? So as soon as the frosts come, these are finished. A lot of people do bring them in and take cuttings from them, which are super easy. To be fair, I think I downplayed it a little bit. As you can see, a little bit of sun damage and lack of watering just there. But we have the actual lobelia packs and the Biden's packs for $4.99. And then we've got some alyssum just here as well. I actually really like them. They are like a great in the rockery, but again, they're just a summer bedder, so they won't do any good if you leave them in for the winter. Now we've got some busy lizzies looking sorry for themselves. These are actually looking really good. So we've got some French lavenders just here. Really good quality. These don't mind it dry either. So again, if you've got the same issue, you tend to kill them. A lavender's pretty much a good shout. They don't like it too wet. So you can get away with being on the drier side. Here we have some ivy geraniums. So these are what we call a trailing variety. So if you're looking for something to put in a hanging basket that sort of drops over the side, or maybe you've got like a wall, you want to plant something up and see it go over, then they're perfect. There's several different colours and the flowers are actually really pretty on these. But again, the class is an annual, so if you leave them out, the frost will kill them. If you bring them in over winter, they'll be absolutely fine. You can put them out again the following season. So the hanging basket's $5.99. There's actually some really good plants in here. So we've got some verbena, some million bells, which are like a smaller Sophinia. I actually really like these yellow ones just there. I didn't dare get them out, to be honest, in store, but they will actually be bigger than they actually look. As you pull them out, they'll cascade over the pot. And then hydrangeas there for $7.99, which are kind of looking okay. So dwarf fruit trees for $11.99. These are probably the stars of the show. These are actually in pretty good nick, apart from a broken stem on one. And they've got a couple of different varieties in my local store. Now, this was in Utoxeter, just FYI, but you should be seeing similar stock all throughout the UK. And we'll have a quick look at the indoor plants with the bromeliads at $6.99. These can go out in the summer, but you'll need to bring them in over winter. And then we've got assorted plants or palms. And these are what we call a parlour palm. Again, strictly a house plant. There we have it. Told you it was super quick. Hopefully you guys will find something in your stores. A, might be a little bit better cared for, and B, grab yourself a bargain. Right, it's the whole reason why I do it. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Till tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care.